Today's pronunciation lesson is contrasting the sounds I and First, I will use each sound in a word. Then, I will put the words into a sentence so that you can hear them together with contextual clues. Please listen closely to the differences in the sounds. First, the I sound in the word hit, hit, hit. Now the sound in the word hut, hut, hut. Now I will use them both in a sentence. Their hut was hit. Their hut was hit. Their hut was hit. Thank you for watching CartoonEnglish.tv's pronunciation lesson. Come visit our website for free lessons, games, and chat. Bye!